Hey everybody, fall is here, the geese are flying, and the squirrels are collecting food for the winter. Being in mid-October now, and Halloween is right around the corner, if you are a retail florist, yes you, now is the time to start preparing your e-commerce website for the holiday season. Getting a jump on holiday sales and online sales is more important this year than ever. Probably about 85% of your business this season, possibly more, is going to come from your online website. So if you can start pre-charging your website with good keywords and SEO content, you're going to be ahead of the ball game. So I thought I would talk about this because I'm actually out foraging for branches now at the moment, because we just had a couple of storms roll through here the last couple of days. So I'm not even having to work very hard at it because the branches are on the ground. But where I am made me think about preparing for the holiday season and preparing your SEO for the holiday season, specifically because I happen to be in a park here in Portland, Oregon, which is where I'm located on the West Coast. And this park is located in the oldest neighborhood of Portland, Oregon. Started way back in the 1800s, and this park is still here. And wanted to point out a couple of things when it comes to the SEO of your website. One, going into the holiday season, yes, now is the time to be pre-charging your website with good keywords and keyword phrases, especially to prepare your online sales and get those search engines to start noticing you. In addition to that, though, one of the things that can help your local SEO is to be including in your digital text content that you add to your website is information about where you're located, the city that you're located. For this immediate neighborhood where I am at the moment, there are a couple of retail flower shops in this neighborhood. So that would be some examples of good keywords and SEO digital content that those shops would want to put on their websites at this time of year, is talking about the fact that they are located in the oldest established neighborhood of the city of Portland, Oregon. Something like that somewhere on their website would improve the SEO of their online e-commerce website. So now, in addition to improving and adding to your SEO for your local geographical area, wherever your business happens to be, other things that can really help the SEO for your website is to make sure that you include some content on your website that is current, hot, trending topics that you can work your products and services into such categories. As an example, last night I was actually doing some keyword research, specifically for a website that I've been working on. And one thing that I discovered, and this would be a good example of something that you could add to your website that is a trending topic for the holiday season. We know with weddings, everybody's kind of familiar with the term boho chic. Well, this year in 2020, for the Christmas holiday season, boho chic Christmas anything is a hot trending topic. So that's a good example of things that you could add that to some of the items on your website that would help make them trending topics and ranking trending topics that the search engines would pick up on. So, example, if you have a wreath style that you want to create, you could actually call it a boho chic Christmas wreath or a boho chic holiday wreath. Anything like that where you're creating and using the phrase boho chic with a longer keyword phrase like boho chic holiday wreath, the search engines are really gonna like that. So be thinking of those things as you're developing what you're gonna have for the holiday season this year in 2020, and start thinking about little by little adding that content to your website now. We're mid-October, a lot of holiday marketing is already happening. So if you can jump on the bandwagon, you're going to be ahead of the game and you're going to be pre-charging your website with that text content with all of those great trending keywords. So hopefully that gives you some inspiration to start working on those projects now, because the sooner you get it on your website, the sooner you'll start seeing the benefits of it. I hope you found this information helpful. If you like this kind of content, definitely give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you like content like this, by all means hit that bell icon down below. And that way you'll get notified every time I upload a new video for you. So until next time, get on that computer when you get the chance and do a little bit of work preparing digital content for your website for this upcoming holiday season. Until next time, we'll see you really soon. Bye, everybody.